Watch me turn this table into a fancy dog bed. I have a puppy named Stormy, and her bed is an eyesore, so I decided to make her a new one. First, I removed the top and replaced it with a round wooden surface. It was almost perfect except for the legs that were sticking out. I used a rotary tool to make the indent. It was very easy to use and just the size I needed. I sanded all 4 sides and it slipped right in. Talk about the perfect tool. I used rattan to cover the table. I measured my dog from every angle to make sure the entryway was big enough for her to go in and out. Using a thin rope, I covered the edges of the doorway so it wouldn't scratch my puppy. I took the measurements of the table to cut the rattan the right height. And now my favorite part, trimming the edges. I found a wood lining that already has the adhesive on the back. All you have to do is iron it on and it sticks just like that. It was very easy and it gave the edges a finished look. Now for the bedding. Using the OG tabletop, I measured the cushion to get the perfect size. Once done cutting, I picked the fabric that would match the table color scheme and wrapped it around. And believe me when I tell you, I didn't get fancy. Just some hot glue here and there, place it in, and now my dog can be comfy during her midday naps. Now, to put it all together, the OG tabletop with the cushion goes to the bottom of the table. Slide that rattan right through the inside of the leg. And with a little more hot glue, we secure the rattan to each other. And look at that! It came together beautifully. Mwah! The best part about it is not just a fancy dog bed, it doubles as a side table. I can style it and it's no longer an eyesore. And my puppy loves it too. Guys, I'm going to be taking on a lot more cool DIY projects to make your space look very expensive. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch us next time here on Flipped.